actually kind of fun.
You want to do it again?
Welcome, my friend. I am happy to see you. What was that sound?
My tummy does that when I get hungry. What's the matter with me? I forgot I don't have to be hungry. Thanks, everybody. I don't know what to say. Anybody bring a snack?
Wow, way to ruin the moment. They were just here.
Yeah, they were looking for you in the museum.
Oh man, you mean we missed them?
Yeah, I think they were headed for the zoo.
Uh-oh. Can't go on. I gotta have food.
Thank you. Come again.
Running. Am I dreaming? Or do I smell crab cakes? April, let's keep moving. What? Come on, you can do it. All right, I'm coming. I'm so hungry I could even eat that. Come on now, try and stay focused. There's plenty of time to eat later. Not too much later, I hope. Good work, guys! We did it! The sun's shining again and everything's back to normal. But I'm so hungry. Hey, I vote we all grab some chow. I'm down with that. Food. Finally, lunch break. You don't know what it is either, do you?
Of course I do. It's just, you're making me nervous the way you're all staring at me like that. Now I'm hungry and I can't think.
Lucky for you, I brought a snack. She isn't really sure, but if it is one of them, it might help us find the princess.
Thank you, that's really all I was asking. My tummy's saying it's 1/4 starving. I know what! Why don't you all come over to the pigtail tonight and let my dad cook dinner for you?
Oh yeah, I'd love to.
You're really kind to me, and you're very pretty, too. What's wrong? It's true. My stomach.
We'll just have to hope that when the time comes, and it's really necessary, the mirror will show us how we can use it.
I guess so. Is that your stomach again, Maya? Must be lunchtime. Well, we wanted to go to Splendorious, didn't we?
Yeah, and if Johnny knows a way we can get there...
That's right. Then what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Don't blame me, I learned it from Maya.
I hear you, Lance. Let's grab a bite before we go.